Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see in the right hand side this is search button, just click on it and after that enter your model number Z690 AXV3, then hit enter. Then click of name of title. After that it open new tab and then click to support. So select any operating system because installations process same. You can see this video and install a driver any operating system. Okay, LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver and click to download. You can start downloading and just single click open after download completed. Then double click on exe. And then click on yes. You can see the LAN driver is installing and wait few seconds. It will close. Install means this is closed automatically. Then double click. Click on yes. This is extracting and installing. It will close automatic means this is installed. So guys, this is closed automatically, this is installed.